In this video, I'm going to show you what to do on December 31st into January 1st of every year to start a blank spreadsheet. The way these spreadsheets were set up is they're only designed to last one calendar year, this January 1st to December 31. The reason I did that is because that is typically when the tax year is. So a lot of the tracking data, as it adds up for year-to-date totals, you'll want to use those when it's time to file your taxes for that tax year. So at the end of December, you actually want to start with a blank spreadsheet. Now, it doesn't necessarily need to be a new spreadsheet, meaning a new version. You know, if you've bought 2016, you can reuse 2016 over again. You just need a blank version, you know, one with no data into it. If you bought 2016 and then also bought 2017, obviously, you know, start 2017 on January 1st, and the same will go for next year. You know, you can go 2017 to 17 or 17 into 18 when it comes out. I try and release all of the new versions sometime in early December, just so you have some time to familiarize yourself with the new version and, you know, kind of get familiar, and then you can, you know, hit the ground running on January 1. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer, what you need to transfer, particularly from, you know, one year to the next. It's not a full transfer data. You're not transferring all your sales or all your receipts, you know, or everything like that. Really, it's a couple of items, you know, some reference items and stuff like that, and then you can continue on your purchases, receipts, sales, so forth from there. So I have two sheets open here. This is basic. So there won't be any buttons or anything to press. So it'll be, you know, pretty basic. If you're running flagship, you should be able to do the same types of functions that I'm doing here. It's, you know, it's a lot of manual copy paste, but that's, you know, that's better than relying on a button to do that for you. Okay. I'm gonna pretend that this is the old year. This is 2017. I'm sorry, 2016. So what I'll do here is just change the date so we're aware. Okay. Okay. And then I have Google Sheets open. Okay. And this is a blank. And this will be our 2017. Okay. So first thing you want to transfer over is your coding and your reference data. So I'm going to go to coding tab. If you've added anything new below here or here, you can either do that manually, or you can go to here to, you know, whatever you've added in 16, you can copy, you know, go to your new one, and then again, you should use paste special. Okay, now you can see I'm I'm duplicating it, but just to show you that that's all you need to do with the gray areas here, here, and here. Same goes for reference. If you've added any business expenses, that's where that will go. Things like deposit types. So really, it's just getting your spreadsheet set up for 2017. Okay, so that's your reference data. The bigger item that you'll want to transfer over is your inventory. Okay, so the way to do that is you'll want to go to your inventory summary. Okay, Now you can see here I've put some inventory in, so you can see that there's some inventory around. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually apply a filter. Oops. Okay. You probably want to unprotect your sheet to do that, but it's either yeah, filter. And all I'm trying to do is I don't want any zero values showing up. I just want to transfer over the inventory that has, you know, not quantities in it. Obviously, before transferring over your inventory, you're going to want to count your inventory to make sure that these are exact numbers going into the year. So, you know, do a physical count, make any adjustments from there, and then you'll have a solid inventory to work with. The two items we want to transfer over is all your style codes. So I'm going to highlight, copy. Okay. I'm going to go to Google Sheets, or the new spreadsheet. And I'm going to go to receipts. Now this is the same for all of the 2017 files. Up here you'll see on January 1st, enter beginning year inventory. Okay, I'm going to go to the right. It's right here. And again, paste special values. Okay, so there is all of our style codes. And then all we need then is our quantities. So I'm going to highlight, copy. Okay, I'm going to go back to Google Sheets, or in this case it's Google Sheets, but your 2017, paste special values. Okay, there, that's it. Our beginning of year inventory is now in. What you'll see is if you go to the inventory summary here, you'll see all of the inventory showing up. Okay, so now that it's in, you can utilize that and start working from there. You can do sales. You can do sales right away on January 1st based on your inventory. You can receive more inventory in. Okay. One important thing you'll want to do on January 1 is this valuation needs to be entered in here. Okay, that's important for your end of year cost of goods sold calculation for your Schedule C. Okay, it's important to do that right away, because if you make any adjustments, if you make any receipts or sales right away, this will change. Okay. And then the last item that you'll probably want to do is over to the right in credits. Okay, if you have any open Lula cash or gift certificates, you want to carry those over. You can either do that manually or do, individual okay. Really it's name. If they don't have a coupon code, you can probably assign one from 2016. 2016 doesn't use coupon codes, so you can just assign one and then the credit amount. If they have a partial, say there's only $64 out of 100 on the balance, what you'll want to do is just carry over the balance. So all you're really doing is rebuilding your credits. Here. Okay, and then of course you can just either type it in, you can copy the information over. I think it was 1, 2, 3, and then 64. Okay, and that's it. So that was it. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, the last item is sorry, I forgot. Products. If you've added any new products that you want to carry over, Elegance collection, Mimi's, holiday leggings, stuff like that. Definitely, you can. That's a copy paste, or you can just retype it in. IR medium, and so just type it in, and then you'll be good to go. Okay. So products, your inventory, which is copied and then pasted into receipts. And then your reference data and your coding data, and that's it. Those 4 items. Okay. Oh, and credits. So 5 items. So hopefully you found this video helpful and helpful to get you set up for 2017. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and definitely you can always check out the videos for all of the versions in the home screen here for the user's manual.